Imagine trying to lead a teammate while your head feels like it's going to split in two. The light in the boardroom is stabbing your eyes, and every sound feels like a thunder. For many founders, professionals, and even entrepreneurs, this is not an imagination, it's daily life with migraine. Did you know that migraine affects over a billion people worldwide, globally? Over a billion. Did you know that? It is the second leading cause of years lived with disability. Globally, second leading cause. For working professionals, entrepreneurs, founders, it's estimated that migraine accounts for over 160 million, about 157 million lost each year. That's not just the statistics. That is real people like you and me losing opportunity, income, and confidence. You might be asking, why can't I just push through this? Is there something wrong with me that I cannot handle something that most people seem to be able to? Or maybe you are asking yourself this question: if I am this drained, if I am this drained by migraine now, how will I ever reach the career goal? How will I ever reach the career goals that I have worked so hard? I've worked so hard for. Are these the questions that you're asking yourself? I understand. Here is the truth. Here, I want you to be encouraged by this. First of all, a migraine isn't just a headache, like many people in your life seem to think. Oh, it's okay. Just grab a couple of paracetamol. It's fine. Go and drink more water. You're just having a headache. Oh, it's just stress. Oh, you're too young to be having migraine like this. Oh, you're too young to be saying you to be dealing with headache. It's just headache. Go and lie down. Go and lie down and sleep. You'll get better. Oh, go and eat. It's because you're hungry. It's just a headache, they tell you. You know that the pain that you're going through cannot just be a headache. And you're right. Migraine isn't just a headache. It is a complex neurological condition that can affect your vision, speech, your digestion, your mood, and even your energy. Migraines often start with triggers like stress, yes, lack of sleep, dehydration, certain foods, and hormonal changes. What many people don't realize is that your brain is essentially hypersensitive, and the pain is your nervous system's way of saying something is not quite balanced. Relying on painkillers can mask the symptoms, yes. Unfortunately, it will not the root cause. A healthier lifestyle approach like hydration, good sleep hygiene, nourishing food, movement, stress management create a strong foundation. Functional medicine looks at why is migraine happening in the first place. It doesn't just numb the pain. It doesn't just look at how to numb the pain. And the key here is small, consistent changes can break the migraine cycle. Let's say, for example, you are a business person and you're missing work 2 to 3 days in a month due to migraine attack. On days that you are not crawled up in bed with pain, you still feel like you're functioning at 40% capacity. Now, when you choose to now start on the journey to migraine relief and you start observing patterns, monitoring your triggers, making notes of patterns and triggers and things that you're doing on a daily basis, you can reduce the frequency of your migraine attack. So if you are strategic in what you are monitoring or, or observing the triggers. So for example, it could look like you learn how to identify your hidden triggers, your hidden food triggers in particular. You learn how to stabilize your blood sugar levels. And you start to building strategic rest. You find that you go from having to miss work about 2 to 3 times in a month, or even going from having 8 or more migraines to having maybe just 2 migraine in a month. Instead of having 8 or more, you're having 2, or even sometimes you don't even have any in a month. As someone that is a founder of a company or an entrepreneur, a business person, someone in a in a in a professional background, that is a big deal because you're not only going from improving your health, you're also improving your business. You're also being seen as reliable. You're being seen as more credible because you're not consistently missing appointment, having to change appointments, and now you're showing up healthier, more alert, less in pain, not drowsy, much more confident. It makes a big difference in your life, in your health, in your wealth, and in your career. I've been able to do this. I've been able to go from in and out of hospital to now being in a place where I no longer have chronic migraine. I no longer have migraine attacks or painful episodes. I get to show up with clarity and confidence. And that's what I want for you. If I can do it, and others as well that have gone through the process can do it, you can too. It's time to stop being on survival mode, move from just thriving to excelling confidently. I am opening up spaces for my signature program for founders and entrepreneurs. It was designed for founders, professionals, and who are ready to take back control of their lives and be completely free from migraine. Join the wait list today. You'll be the first to know when the doors open officially, and you will get access to exclusive resources to start your journey and even start the whole process before the official program begins. You don't have to let migraine run your schedule anymore. You don't have to let migraine run your career or your future. Head over to the link and secure your spot on the wait list. I'm wishing you ongoing success, and I will speak to you in another episode. Until next time, You take care. Bye.